Okay, this is my first live product YouTube video review. I said that wrong. Okay, this is my first product review YouTube video. I have 10% on my phone right now, and I'm going to film this, edit this, and upload this before my phone dies. So that's today's challenge. So today we're reviewing, oh, the flash is on, the Powerbeats Pro. They finally came out with the colors and I finally copped one. I had a lovely experience at the Apple store. Shout out Apple. So yeah, we're just gonna be unboxing, reviewing, opening, testing, utilizing this. So it's almost like midnight and me da la gana de hacer this right now. So we're gonna do it right now. I have been waiting for this for so many years. I've had the Powerbeats for I don't know how long now, and they finally came out with wireless ones, and I was so happy. I've been waiting for this. This is difficult to do with one hand. I'm so sorry, bear with me here. I'm on my couch. Okay, Powerbeats Pro, that's it. Works for all these things. Oh my god, it works for Android. Okay. Box, not much there. It's just a box. And now we have to open it. Oh my gosh. Got him. You have the classic logo there. I got Ivory because my old Powerbeats, well, I had white Powerbeats and my dogs hate them. And then I got black Powerbeats. And, you know, white was always the OG. So here we have it. The little case. It is rather large. I think I have a pretty big hand, but it's pretty big. Okay, so definitely way bigger than the AirPods. I don't have them right now to compare, but oh my god, I can't open this with one hand. Oh my god, this is the worst. So I received a little power mode notification. That's like, okay, I can't open this. And here we have it. To pair, keep earphones in case. Oh. Well, I'm kind of using it to film right now, so I guess we're not going to pair it. They're very pretty. Very, 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 very pretty. I will take it out, even though it told me not to. Oh my god. It's actually like not big and bulky at all. It's actually very slim and nice. Oh god. Yes, I'm a fan. Okay, and then in the box, of course, like always, you get charging cable and then 3 different sizes of the ear stuff. You get a beat sticker and a manual. That's it. The case is a charging case, so you charge the case right there and it will charge your Beats. In here, the light is on. I'm assuming that means it's charging. So what I will do now is I will pair them to my phone, and then we can see like the audio from there. To pair, okay, yes. So when you go to your Bluetooth, I just open up the Beats case. It's already on and everything. You just leave your Beats in the case. You open up your Bluetooth and it will be right here, your Powerbeats Pro, and that's it. And it's connected. Wow, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yep, these are the options. Microphone, always left, always right, automatically switched. Automatic ear detection, we want that on. The name, everything, good to go. And I'm assuming since it's connected, this audio just switched. Oh wait, never mind. It's not in my ear, so it wouldn't have switched. All right, now I have the left earphone in my ear right now. And I did have to look how to pair, even though I just showed you how. So with the controls it has, I just have one. I have the left one in my ear right now, so that's the audio you'd be hearing. The buttons, so each headphone, they both have buttons, they both have controls. So this is volume up and volume down, this one thing, just like an iPhone, volume up, volume down. And then this is actually a button, the B, and that does play, pause, answer phone call, end the phone call, and mic, like Siri. So that is very, very cool. It's so cool, oh my god. Well, I think that wraps that up. There's not much else. I'm super excited. I will do a gym, how they hold up in the gym or in water and sweat soon. Thanks. Good night. Additionally, to check the battery on your devices, simply go to your batteries and then you have your phone. Oh wow, I have 6%. I definitely have to edit and upload this video right now. Oh no, what happened to my case? Well, something happened to, oh, okay. So to check how much charge your case has, simply like open it and it'll pop up. So I just opened it and there it is. I have 57% charge on my case, and then each bud has about 70-80%. Okay, I'm back. I just found these Powerbeats. These are my previous Powerbeats wireless, except they're not really wireless. So these are the true, finally wireless ones, and I just want to show you the difference in the design. I'm still wearing the left earbud in my ear. Yeah, these are so much more comfortable. I think you can tell just by, like, look at this ear hook. Like, whose ear is shaped like this? Like, nobody's. Just kidding, somebody's is. But, like, this is just so much nicer on a normal human ear and face. It's just so much comfier. So, yeah, this is just the difference. I don't even know, like, what is that? Whatever. It's just much more comfortable, and the audio quality, I just played some music, really, really good. I realized there was no proper outro, so this is it. I'm still wearing the left bud, and just note, I'm wearing glasses and I'm wearing the bud with the ear hook, and it does not bother you at all. Like, I can't even tell. Previously with my Powerbeats, the 3, whatever they're called, I could definitely tell that I was wearing them and my glasses, like, it bothered my ear, but I can't even feel these. Oh no, man, that's crazy. Okay, well, that's it. Ciao.